All right, here's a literal equation where we want to solve for the b variable here. And we can see that b shows up twice, once here and once here. So we have to make sure that we end up having just one b. We want to have something that is b equals something, where there's no b in here. So let's see. If we're to approach this, I'm thinking that I'm going to have to get b's on one side and factor out a b to solve this for b. So let's see. If I'm initially looking at this, I've got a denominator, a pretty big denominator here. I would like to get rid of that denominator. So why don't we do this? I'm going to start off by rewriting my equation. Just give me a little bit of room here. AB over CB plus 2. Now, I'd like to get rid of CB plus 2, so you can think of this in a couple ways. You can either think cross multiply here, or I'm just going to straight up multiply CB plus 2 to this side, and I have to multiply CB plus 2 to this side as well. Notice I put this whole quantity in parentheses because I'm multiplying all of this by x. Not just the 2, not just the CB, but I'm going to have to distribute that x when I multiply this together. So this is like a CB plus 2 over 1, which is going to end up canceling with this CB plus 2. Hey, isn't that nice? And on my right-hand side, I've got AB left. And on the left, let's move that down a little bit. And on the left, I have CB plus 2 times x. Or let's distribute that x, and I've got CBx plus 2x. That's equal to AB. Next, why don't we do this? Let's multiply, or not multiply, well, let's move this b term over to the other side. So to do that, let's subtract the CBx, subtract the CBx. So I have 2x, whoops, minus CBx. I want to go red for this too. So I have 2x, here we go, equals AB minus CBx. And now that I have these terms, or the b terms all on one side, everything else on the other side, I'm ready to factor out a b. So I'm just going to rewrite this here. 2x equals AB minus CBx, or BCX, or XBC, doesn't matter. But I want just one b. Remember, right now I have two b's. So in order to get it down to just one b, I'm going to have to factor out a b from this whole binomial. I've got a greatest common factor of b between both of these. So let's factor that right out. Once I factor out the b, I'm going to have left an a minus cx. And remember, you can always check this by pretending to distribute this back out and see if you get this up here. So that would be ab minus bcx. Yeah, that's the same thing. So we're good there. And this is equal to 2x. All right, my final step here is to get this b by itself. I can divide both sides by an a minus cx, divide by an a minus cx. These a minus cx's, they're going to cancel. And now I have my b all by itself, and that's equal to 2x over a minus cx. Now I cannot cancel the x's here because this is an entire quantity, this binomial, and I'm not dividing x by x. If I were dividing x by x, I could cancel. But I'm dividing x by a minus cx, that entire quantity. So this is going to end up being my final solution here.